is Karina Mascarenas and welcome to our channel Property Drone. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of Supreme Towers, the epitome of luxury located in the heart of Pune, Koregaon Park. Get ready to experience stunning skyline views, world-class amenities and an unparalleled lifestyle. Now let's have a look at the project details and after that we'll have a look at a sample plan. Wow, just look at this. This is what luxury is and this could be your lifestyle too. This is Supreme Towers. It covers an area of 2.5 acres. Now, as you can see, there are two beautifully constructed twin towers connected at the top by a cloud walk. There are two parking levels. There's a podium and then the towers consist of 32 habitable floors which offers exclusive 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Now, talking about the amenities, they are divided into 4 parts. First up, we have them on the ground floor and then comes the podium which is reserved for children and senior citizens. We have a beautiful temperature-controlled swimming pool, we have a children's play area and also jogging tracks. Now, coming to the 33rd and 34th floor, we have an amazing cloud walk along with an amphitheater and a gymnasium. And on the 34th floor, we have an amazing pool with 2 clubhouses and a mesmerizing view. The configuration, carpet area, pricing, number of parkings and the possession date is given on the screen. Now, let's have a look at the sample flat. So, this is the 4 BHK sample flat with a carpet area of 2178 square feet. At the entrance, we have a video door phone by One Touch. And then we have a secure digital door lock by Yale, which can be accessed by key, card, thumb or keypad. Now, let's go in. Upon entering, you get this very beautiful foyer area where you can design your shoe rack and also decorate this entire place up to your own taste. And this place is perfect for privacy concerns as the living room won't be directly visible. Now, let's move on to the living room. Wow, look at this beautiful living room. It would be an absolute dream to live here. It looks so luxurious, such a sleek and modern look. You get the living room as it is without any of the furniture. We have such beautiful imported marble here. We have a false ceiling with concealed lights as well. And look at the humongous windows. So much sunlight entering. The living room is so spacious, so airy. You can just hang out here all the time. There is so much space here. You can keep your couches and coffee tables, and then over here you can set up your TV. Do you see the distance? Your vision will be grateful for you. And we have so much space here. You can throw a party, you can call over your friends, have fun. And then over here we have a beautiful shelf where you can decorate. You can decorate it with cute little items. And there's so much space, so much air you can breathe in. So much sunlight coming in, it is perfect. If you want this place to be yours and you want to live in such a pretty place, then call us at the given number or you can simply visit our website. Now in this space, you can set up your dining area. This can easily fit 6 to 8 people. Look at how pretty it is. You can decorate it to your own liking. And still, even after this entire area is filled up, there is so much space to walk around in. Now let's look at this beauty. You have huge windows which are wall to wall and sliding as well. They will give you the perfect amount of sunlight and ventilation. Now, moving on to the balcony. Let's go. Wow, I would love to live here for the rest of my life. Look at this balcony, it's so huge. The dimensions of the balcony are given on the screen. Look at this beauty. You have these beautiful tiles on the floor and you have a wooden ceiling with concealed lights. You also have a drainage system. And you can set up your sitting area over here. You can also have a party in the balcony. It's so spacious. Now, right in front of the dining area, we have the kitchen. Let's go. What you see is exactly what you get, except obviously these two things. Look at this beautiful modular kitchen, such a sleek and modern look. Look at this beautiful Faber cooktop, and also you get a chimney. Along with that, you get a sink and a water purifier as well. Now we have these two huge windows as well, which will give you a lot of sunlight and a lot of ventilation in your kitchen while you're cooking, so you don't sweat. Now, connected to the kitchen, we have a dry balcony which you can use for whatever purpose. You can keep your dishwashers, you can keep your washing machines. It's up to your own liking. Just so the kitchen is not messy and cluttered, you can use this area to keep any extra stuff. The dimensions are displayed on the screen. Now, connecting to this room, we have another room which can be used for your house help. They have their own bathroom and they have their own door which they can access to the foyer. So, upon exiting the kitchen, we have this huge hallway which leads to this small multi-purpose room, the powder room, and the rest of your bedrooms. Now, let's explore this room. So, this is the 0.5 of your 4.5 BHK. You can use it however you like. Over here, they have kept couches, a coffee table, a TV as well, but you can use it as a gaming room, a studio. It's up to your own liking. This room also comes along with an attached washroom. An interesting thing about this place is that every washroom has a different texture on their walls and the floor. The dimensions of this bathroom is given on the screen. Now, moving on. Onto our left, we have a sleek and elegant looking powder room. In this powder room, you get everything except the mirror and the cabinet. Now, upon entering the next room, first off, you get this washroom, and there's ample amount of space here, so you can decorate it however you like it. You can keep a wardrobe, you can hang up paintings, just decorate it up to your own liking. Look at how premium it looks. It has such a warm feeling to it. It has a different texture on the wall and on the floor as well. You get everything as it is except the mirror and the cabinet. And now we have the huge guest room. It's a blend of style and serenity. You can have a queen bed in here, a TV unit, even a wardrobe, and still there'll be so much space for you to move around. This will give you the perfect comfort for your guests. With the warm atmosphere of this room, your guests are sure to have a comfortable stay. And they also have huge windows allowing an ample amount of sunlight and air. The dimensions of this room is given on the screen. Now let's move on to the kids' room. Upon entering, we have this passage area which ultimately leads to the bathroom in here. So over here we have a spacious washroom with anti-skid tiles along with CPS sanitary fittings from Duravit and Hans Grohe. The dimensions of the bathroom are given on the screen. Now we have the children's bedroom. So here we have the cozy kids bedroom. This is how you can set it up. You can have a bed for them, you can have side tables, however you like it. We also have a huge window here allowing ample amount of sunlight and air, and another window here allowing cross ventilation in this room. You can also set up a small study area for your kids. So much space for your kids to run around. This is the perfect room for them. The dimensions of this room are given on the screen. Now, let's move on to the grand room. So here is your grand room. Upon entering, we have a walk-in closet which gives you such a rich feel. And then connected to that, we have a very huge washroom. This is exactly how your washroom will look like, except the mirror and the cabinet. You will have the glass partition, the shower head, the false ceiling, everything as it is. Now moving to the master bedroom. You can see there's so much space here in the closet. So here is the humongous master bedroom. This is exactly how you can set up. You can have a king-sized bed, you can have your own cozy corner there, and you will still have ample amount of space to walk around. We have huge windows as well that leads to the balcony outside. We have soundproof sliding doors, which also comes along with a mosquito net. The balcony has its own anti-skid tiles and also a wooden false ceiling. You can have a cozy evening in here with your friends and family and enjoy an amazing view. Each room comes with an AC and the living room comes with two. The dimensions of this room are given on the screen. This could be your future house and lifestyle. So if you're interested, call us at the given number or simply visit our website. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.